Good morning. Today we are going to study regarding your favorite element of life, that is social media, where you spend most of your time. And we also do the same thing. Okay. And that is the main platform for nowadays that the marketers can target over there, can reach more people. That is all about social media marketing. So last class we studied about the profile of the consumer, what is customer retention, what is customer acquisition, and how the browsing behavioral model exactly works. So now today we'll study about the five key elements of social media. So social media is not only the Facebook, it's more than that. So the element that combine to form social media are just platform like Facebook or LinkedIn, much more. So for this, we call social media. So while social media is a term that is used commonly, anything found on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. So there are more useful ways of seeing social media also, not just as these things. So you can market over there. For the sake of reaching a deeper understanding, let's instead look at social media in terms of the activities that make social media tools particularly useful. So, how you, before going for any social media marketing or advertising, you need to understand the elements, then you can get success over there. So, social media are a collection of technologies that enable people to listen. First of all, the comments all they come like and dislike. What happens there? Create, you can create some advertisement over there. You can share with the people, and you can connect over there with becoming a member. Amplify and measure media, that is content, with one another. Even Facebook gives you analytics. Okay, once you do advertisement in Facebook also, how it is performing, how many have seen, so how many responded, so all things you will come to know. So this all generally happens in an environment free from the constraint of gatekeepers or approval processes, and by definition on platforms that require two-way and multi-way communications. So as a result, five interrelated elements of social media have become available. So these are the five elements which has to be uh, carefully seen while you are going for any social media advertisement. So first is the listening, that is nothing but the research we do. Second is content marketing, okay, where you have to create content and curation. Engagement, so community management. Promotion, advertising, okay. Then measurement. So measurement that we have already know this metrics, key performance indicators, and analytics. Let's see one by one. So first one is the listening part. So it refers to the process of searching and monitoring public conversations and shared content for mentions of brands, products, services, questions, or other keywords with the intention of identifying and understanding the trend. So it's all about knowing the audience, okay, what exactly going on, and what has been shared, what are the comments coming up with from the side of the users of the social media, what service are offered over there for particular service or product, what questions have been arised, and what keywords they are searching for. You can come to know with the listening element part. So there are some software has automatic sentiment tracking, which uses artificial intelligence, we call AI, to interpret whether the emotion tied to the social result is positive, negative, or neutral. So with that, you can understand this with the artificial intelligence. So beyond that, most other professional listening software can compare the volume of search results for two organizations against one another to determine the respective share of voice. Okay, so the software provide or compare, okay, which helps you to go with the results. Okay, and you can compare yourself with the specific given organization which are operating in social media. So they also may provide trend analysis to show emerging and popular conversation which have happened. Listening can also be done manually by examining the news feeds of various sites or individuals to uncover valuable intelligence based on what they share exactly. So you can understand them. So it's all about the research process you are doing in listening. Second aspect is content marketing. We have already seen how content plays an important role and when we create content. So the content marketing is the use of media such as written text, pictures, videos, slideshows, and more to learn attention, traffic with the intent to position a company or individual as a knowledgeable and trusted and to generate new prospects and customers. You might have seen big organization all are there in social media. Okay, they use sometimes pictures, sometimes text, sometimes a small video. They create content. Okay, that plays an the important element in social media. So where you can grab the new prospect customer and the consumer, the existing consumers also. The content marketing is more successful when focused on providing valuable information to the target audience at what they are looking for. And totally they use cookies, they use your segmentation process. That's we have seen in last class, that is profile of consumer. Okay, they use as a segment and you will come to know who are the direct audience with the segmentation process. Content can either be created or curated. So you can collect it and organized from around the web also. That also can be done there. And next element is the engagement. So engagement is the process of directly connecting with another individual and using a mixture of listening, content marketing, and conversation skill to build trust and loyalty by solving problems and providing value. You might have seen you will get these all content advertising or social advertising to engage yourself. The companies are there in all aspects. You might using the Instagram. In the status bar also you can see when you are scrolling down, you can see some advertisement. Okay, in Facebook you can find it. So everywhere to engage you, they are coming up with the new thing. Okay, they are even ready to listen you, and they want to do content marketing also, and they want to understand the conversation also. So where which can help to develop the trust and loyalty. So where they can solve your problems and they provide the value which you are spending. Hallmark traits of effective and engaged community management are empathy, compassion, and responsive communication. Okay, so empathy, compassion, and responsive communication, these are all the emotional part of any community. Okay, especially when you are managing, engaging the community. So there you can. And next comes is the promotion and advertising. Actually, it is mixed up over there. So it is promotion and advertising. Promotion is intended to describe any activities typically paid that amplify content or solicit feedback system or response about a product, service, website, or marketplace. So these all things happens typically when we are planning for the promotional activity. But when we look for the promotion can involve offline activities such as business cards or posters, or online activities such as display advertisement, social media advertisement, paid search campaigns, influencer marketing, or experiential marketing. Okay, to name a few. So these are all aspects where you can do promotion also. We have seen all these. And next part comes is the measurement and analytics. So measurement and analytics covers all activities related to the capture and analysis of data. Okay, so where you will come to know what exactly happening and what things are going on and how the things are performing, whichever we are implemented, you will come to know. So this can include user demographic or interest data. We can easily track it, website traffic and behavior, from where they are coming, where exactly they are looking for, what products they are going for, what likes they have, interaction and impression for advertisements, how many saw this, how many liked it, and how many viewed for this much of seconds. That also you can analyze, and any other activity that generates data. The measurement analytics should be applied to all of the other 4 components of social media in order to understand and improve the effectiveness of each activity. So if you do these all 5 elements, so your social media will perform well, whatever advertising you are planning for. So this is today's class, and